Welcome back. One of the things that you'll want to do as an author is to make sure that you are collecting names and email addresses. If you have an existing email sending service that you're using for your business, you can also use it for your authorship practice. So by going to your favorite search engine, you can use the search term email sending service and you will see several services available. For the sake of this video, we are going to look at the email sending service MailChimp. Email sending services will allow you to collect the names and email addresses of individuals that are purchasing your products as well as your authored books. If you don't want to maintain an entire website with traditional hosting, most email sending services will give you a website that you have use of. You can use this service and connect your existing domain name to the service so that the domain name covers the entire website given to you by the sending service, or you can place it inside of a subdomain. In order to create attractive pages for your customer to sign up for your email sending service, most services will give you the ability to create a landing page that is template based. You can connect it to a specific list, you can select a template, and you can then edit and design the template as your landing page for your business. So what you'll want to do first is to set up an email sending service to capture names and email addresses from individuals that are making purchases. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.